Okay, so today is going to be a little bit different. Today we're going to learn about what's going to actually get us to our actual goal that we want to achieve, and that is wholesaler fees. So we need to determine something that is called KPI. So KPI stands for Key Performance Indicators, and you need to keep track of several key performance indicators. But today we're going to actually focus on only one, and that is going to be what is your average wholesaling fee. So in order to learn what your average wholesaling fee, you're going to take the amount of actual wholesaling fees that you've earned and divide it by the number of deals that you've actually had. And that's going to give you your total wholesaling fee KPI. Okay, so why are KPIs important? Basically, it allows you to see if you've basically hitting your goals. If you are, how far away you are from your goals, or how well you're doing with your goals. Okay, so you can think of those KPIs like that. Okay, and so knowing your average wholesaler fee, that's going to actually help you get to your dreams a lot faster. So let's take an example for instance. So if you made $150,000 total on all of your wholesale fees, and you did 10 deals. So you're going to take that 150,000 and divide it by that 10. So that's going to leave you a total of $15,000. So your average wholesaling fee is going to be $15,000. Now, if you are midway, let's just say you have a goal of $300,000. So because your average deal is $15,000, how many deals will you have to do in order to achieve that $300,000? Well, I'll tell you the answer. The answer is 20. So you'll actually have to do 20 deals with a minimum of $15,000 for your wholesaler fee in order to achieve that $300,000. So use KPIs. I'll be bringing even more I'll be bringing even more videos on the other types of KPIs that are going to be very important. If you'd like to learn more about that, I am going to have training classes that will be coming soon. Drop a link down in the comment section saying training, and I'll be glad to send you a link to our training courses so that you can see all of the different offerings that we have available. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon.